is making cute little squeaky noises. Okay.
Sounds like we've got a hamster here. Okay.
Hi, I'm Kim Hopkins,
And I'm Lisa Carponelli.
and we are the co-founders of Velorosa, which is a women's cycling apparel brand.
So one of the things that we like to do is kind of take an inventory before we leave the house of all the stuff that we need. Here we've got obviously a spare tube. We've also got some levers that will help us get the tire off. You'll carry some sort of air when you're riding. It'll either be CO2 or in this case we just grabbed a hand pump. What's nice is that when everything's tucked away into the pouch, it just all ends up going in your back jersey pocket, which is why we like our jerseys, because we got plenty of room to carry all the spare parts. And then one of the big things that you want to make sure is that you got a flat for a reason. So it's either there's something poking through your tire, if it isn't a pinch flat. So we go through and we check and make sure that everything's good.
You want to put a little bit of air in your tube. It just makes it easier to work with. You don't want it full, but just to pump it up a little bit. There you go. Pump it up.
One of the key things is to make sure that the tube is actually seated in the right place inside, because what can happen is if the tube gets anywhere out of alignment, you'll see these bulges that start to happen, and then you'll get a flat immediately. Nice job, Moses. That's good.
And brakes work. So she's ready to roll.
Oh, you can just call an Uber.